So this is Triumph Triple 675R. What year, Ollie?
2011.
2011. Just some further tips that we did to get the camshaft top out is to take the breather tops off, which are just down here. Those two breather tops. And the reason being also as well the right hand indicator, because the cam cover, once it's lifted up, slides across to the right. We're just going to do one of the valves, check the adjustment, and Ollie's going to give a go. We've got the camshaft lobes opposite to the cam tops, so we're just going to try with the feeler gauges, just see what we get.
So it's got to be between 0.10 and 0.20.
Yeah.
So, a bit awkward. So, no, I can't do it. No, it's on film. Oh, there you go. So that goes straight through.
So what what
right?
size is that?
So
managing?
that's a 0.10.
0.10, okay.
So that slides straight through. You got 0.15 here, and that don't want to go through.
That won't go in. Alright, so that's good. That inlet is within spec. Do you want to check the other one?
So again, 0.10. So that slides straight through, goes in fine, and then you got the 0.15, which doesn't want to go in. That doesn't go in.
So that's it. So those two valves, we're going to check further. We're going to go through all of them, but that's the basics of checking the shims on the street triple. Any comments, questions? Look below, and look forward to helping you out. Thanks.